Let's solve the subtraction problem. In a soccer game, there were 25 players on the field. Due to a red card, 6 players were sent off. Later, 2 players also got hurt. How many players are on the field now? So, I'm going to do this in 2 ways. The first step, I'm going to do it step by step. And in the second option, I'm going to do everything in one mathematical operation, and then we'll compare the answers. So option 1. So we start with 25 players on the field and 6 players were sent off, which means 6 players were removed. So I'm going to do 25 minus 6. Now I can't do 5 minus 6, so I'm going to need to borrow, and this will now become 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9, and this one over here carries all the way down to give me 19 players. Later on, 2 players also got hurt. So we had 19 players on the field and 2 more players got hurt. So let's calculate the total at the end. 9 minus 2 is 7, and this one carries down to give us 17 players. Now, maybe you can already see it, but there's also a way to do it faster. So if I started off with 25 players, I subtracted 6 due to the red card, and another 2 because of the injuries, I could do this all in one step. Now, I can't do 5 minus 6, so I'm going to have to borrow like I did in the first option. So this again will become 15 minus 6 minus 2. So 15 minus 6 is 9, and 9 minus 2 is 7. What's left in this column, or in the tens column, is the 1, which I'll bring all the way down. So I also get the same answer of 17 players. So no matter how you do it, 17 players were left on the field.